going for a monster carving on the Phlatprinter 3 using an 8-foot piece of 2-inch thick foam and a giant soft laminate router with a giant carve. You can't even tell it's spinning. Alright, so let's start the code. Oh wait, slow everything down to 100. I have it set up for 300 right now. Way too fast. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so we've set that up to 200 inches a minute. It's moving now. Definitely need a dust cue on there. I can see there's an error in the code. You can see how it goes at an angle there. Not sure what happened. It was a lot of code to generate, so we just did another angle. Maybe it'll work out. You know what's amazing is that it's moving this giant piece of foam. I had to rig a thing up here, but it's doing it. And I just put my spindle attachment over here on the side. Still has the light on. Very cool. See what happens. Phlatprinter 3 carving a giant sign. Okay, so I've added a paper dust cue to try to capture some of the foam dust. It does a better job, but still not the answer. Well, this is as far as I got, and then the circuit went in the house. It was ridiculous. I was just turning a printer on, and it was the last little bit of power that needed to pop that circuit. But you can see there were some mess ups in the code, but it's looking really cool. And look at the ridges on that thing, if you can see it. You can see on this last part it was doing like all these cuts are straight up and down, but it was doing angle cuts, and that's no good. But I was hoping that as it ran through, this is a double pass cut, I was hoping it would come back and get those, but no luck. I'm gonna have to try something else. Very cool. Giant material. Test cut. Okay, I'm on to try number 2. 200 inches a minute. Giant piece of foam. And this time I put a piece of paper here over the bearing so they don't get, or over the belt so it doesn't get foam in there. And that works pretty good. It just sits there. And I've got the step over at 50% of the bit, so you can see the resolution's not going to be that great, but you can see the difference. That one was pretty decent. The resolution was better. But I'm still getting some of these angle cuts in here and some anomalies like that. That was not a misstep. That was in the code. So, but it's working and that thing's moving, man. So it's doing the first pass, and then it'll go back and get the next one. I just wanted to carve it quicker to see how it would turn out. I don't even know if I have enough room to write Phlatboyz on there anymore because of this mess up. So we'll see. Alright guys, it's getting there. Amazing. I'm going to have to make sure that this pipe doesn't get hit on the way back. Unbelievable.